Hello and welcome to the Nano car videos series, and today we'll be making a Dodge Daytona. It has the back lights and the windshield and every single detail, and the back part is really well made, and it's only 21 pieces. So without further ado, let's actually get into the video. Alright, so right away you want to get started with 2 Lego dumbbells, and we want to use them as wheels. So you want to put that piece that makes them rotate, and you want to get 2 pieces, cheese slopes, that are transparent. So they're the windshield basically, and you want to get a 2x3 plate. 2 1x3s in blue are good too. And you could make this car with your own color. So there. And you want to put that 2x3 so that you're leaving a space right here. And you want to attach 2 wheels, of course. And you want to put the windshield on. And then you want to get a slope. And you want to attach that on the front. And then you want to get a 1x2 plate. And you want to flip your car upside down. And you want to put that on to the slope. So you got the front there. And next, you want to get 2 1x1s or just a 1x2 plate. It's your choice. If you don't have enough bricks, you could just use 2 1x1s. And you want to get 2 slopes, 1x2. You want to attach them to the back of the windshield, and you could see all the good stuff right there. The really smooth front and the hood. And you want to attach a 2x2 plate right there at the opening of the 1x2 right there, and you want to put this flat plate at the same spot. And then you want to get this 1x2 flat with this minifigure bar on it. That's what I call it because minifigures can hold it. And there you have part of the car right there, as you could see. And then you want to flip the car over. And you want to add the lights, which are pretty important. And you want to add a 1x2 on the bottom of the lights, so the lights don't show up on the bottom. And you want to add 2 1x2s on top of each other like this. And you want to put that on the bottom. And there you have a Dodge Daytona made entirely with Lego. And I believe it's 18 pieces. And whenever you make a mistake, you could just use this orange brick remover. So there, that's the car. You have the windshield again and the lights. So we have every detail correct. So yeah, so see you in the next video.